What's up, guys? What's the news? You know what the news is? There is no news. The news is that car driving is back in our country. It's back in our lives, guys. By the way, the weather out there, the season out there, you should be hopping into a car. Maybe Sunday drives, go out there with your friends, family, and be out there being car drivers. And chances are that if you are a car driver, like most of us out here are, then you would be running different apps on your phone, much to do with what the car is going to be doing, or you'll be having a stack of receipts in the glove box of yours, a whole lot of those receipts, or then on your wallet you would be having a driving license falling off, you'd have some other card falling off, pretty much one that has nothing to do with your car, or probably even the vehicle RC falling off. So you see, if you have a lot of cards because you do a lot of driving, good thing, or if you're on a motorcycle and you do a lot of riding, yay! There are a lot of apps and documents and paperwork that still have to go in there somewhere, stick it in, and you have to deal with them, all of them later. Makes you think, in this world of having a one-stop shop solution for everything, isn't there a do-it-all app for your beloved garage? Ladies and gentlemen, I confess I'm an auto enthusiast, and till date I did not know the answer to this question, but now I know. Today there is. It's the CRED Garage. So I'm pretty sure we all know who CRED is, because CRED is quite a well-known, well-traveled name. But I didn't quite know that CRED was also listening to the needs of us motorists. And so if you haven't opened the app in the past couple of days before this video came out, then thank us, let us know, subscribe to the channel, and now open the app and I'll tell you what. Exactly like the CRED central platform to manage all your finances, accounts and cards, you can treat CRED Garage as your go-to for your car and motorcycle needs. Apart from the fact that you're passionate and you love everything wheels and hence you will like CRED Garage, do you really need CRED Garage? Well, here's 5 things that I already know why I would need one. First up, it keeps track of all your vehicle spends. Fuel, maintenance, FASTag. Sometimes I like to tank up on Octane 99 or Octane 100. Would like to know what the bill is at the end of the month without really having to dig up for it. Maintenance, well, I wouldn't like to note that down anywhere, but CRED, if you do that, fair enough. FASTag for sure. Now you can view and settle your traffic challans, if any, Cyrus, at all, through this app. Traffic challans. You may even get rewarded if you're being a good driver. CRED will say that you're being a good driver. So I'm a good candidate for that. 3, you can also top up FASTag from CRED Garage. So no helter-skelter running out there when the sun is being steely and you're stuck at the toll, concrete jungle it is. 4, it keeps track of your motor and pollution check certificate, giving you timely reminders to renew the either. CRED is really going to compel me to be a good citizen that I want to be. 5, it's your digital glove box to find all your vehicular related documents, driving license, vehicle RC, etc. It's also making a lot of sense to me because instead of going to 5 different sites to take care of 5 different things about your vehicle, you can simply go to CRED Garage. Yes, it's a good thing to have everything in one place and get it all done right there. Okay, and the app analyzes, displays your spending patterns maybe. I wouldn't want it, or well, yeah, I would want it. So you can make a sense as to where the money is going. So if you could know how much I spend on every month, I would exactly know how to save up to buy me something nice like Akrapovic exhaust. Also, if you're a member of the CRED, you can buy insurance policies from the platform at the member-only prices. Some great deals are there for you to pick. All right. If you got the product, the great one, the right one working already, it's job done. And of course, to sum it up, one needs to have less hassles. CRED Garage, I hope you're listening to it. I hope you are it because you claim it. Less hassles, more time to the vehicle you own. One app that you use to do more than 5 things. That's the kind of app that we're looking for when we're talking of garage. Thank you for watching PowerDrift, folks. This could have been happening way before, but it's happening now. It's called CRED Garage. Stay subscribed, stay notified. Share this video with your family or those who own multiple vehicles. Find a link to CRED Garage in the description too. I think I quite like them by now. If you've added your car or bike to CRED Garage, tell me your experience with it in the comment section below. Of course, biggest thing, if you have already used CRED Garage, then you know more than what we do today. So tell us about your experience in the comment section below. And as always, feel free to drop any questions. Goodbye. See you.